Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sell your USDT on the Binance mobile app step by step. Once we've opened up Binance, we're simply going to be clicking on Convert, where we can easily convert our USDT into other cryptocurrency tokens. So you can go USDT, and we'll be converting USDT into BTC, and 3 USDT is equivalent to 0.0010659 BTC. And with that, you can easily convert your Bitcoin. As you can see here, once you've converted your $3 worth of Bitcoin, this is the outcome or the results. Another method of selling your USDT would be simply using the P2P method by clicking P2P trading, clicking on sell, and with this method, you'd simply be selling your USDT in your local currency, which would be deposited in your local bank account. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can sell your USDT on Binance, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.